Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. Side Hustle. In today's video, I'll show you how you can earn money by simply using Google to search for things and ideas. The best part? The learning curve is pretty much zero because you already know how to Google for things. You probably already made hundreds, if not thousands, of Google searches before. So the method I'm about to show you should be a breeze. This method would also be a perfect fit for people who are good at coming up with ideas. However, don't worry if you are not. Google is here to help with that as well. Before we continue, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the side hustle ideas I post. Alright, enough of the chit-chat. Get your laptops or smartphones ready and let's dive right in. The first step is to go to the website we will use for this side hustle. The website is called MindSumo. Don't get too excited. Make sure to stay and pay attention to the rest of the video. If you do not do this right, you will not earn money doing this side hustle. Companies use this platform to crowdsource ideas for problems. They pay people for their ideas and problem-solving skills. This part is where you come in. We will use the power of Google search to provide solutions to these companies and get paid for it. To begin, you need to have an account first. Sign up is easy and free. Click on the Sign In button on the top right of the website. Click on Join Now. Alternatively, you can type this URL into your browser. Start filling in the required information such as your first name, last name, email address, and password. You will also need to provide additional details such as gender, race, ethnicity, location, and education level. This information is used when companies want answers from specific demographics. After you complete the form, click Register to complete your sign-up. Account creation is instantaneous. You now have access to all the challenges posted by companies. To view all the active challenges, click on Challenges. On this page, you will see a list of all the available problems you can submit solutions to, how much time is left, and how much you can get paid. Let's have a look at this as an example. This post has 19 days left before it closes for submissions and has a total reward of $1,600. You can click on it to view more details. These challenges are updated constantly, so don't forget to check every 24 hours for new postings. To have a chance to get paid, you have to submit your idea or solution. Let's take a look at this one as an example. The question is, how can we improve your connectivity while traveling? If you are great with solutions and good at coming up with ideas, then you can answer this manually. Start writing an essay or an article outlining the solution to the problem. Click on Reserve Spot. Scroll to the bottom and start writing out your solution. If you do not want to do this from scratch and answer in your own words, here's the trick. Copy the question and search on Google. Start clicking on a few search results. Collect the answers you find and put them on a notepad file, Google Docs, or whatever you find convenient. You have to put in a little work to ensure the full article you come up with is correctly structured and cohesive. I would still highly recommend you only use the Google search results to find quick answers, but still try to write the article on your own. This will make sure you don't run into copyright and plagiarism issues. You also can use a website like Spinbot to further tweak and rewrite the results. Double-check the results and tweak if necessary to make it sound more natural. Once you have your article, the steps are the same. Click on Reserve Spot, paste your solution at the bottom, and click Submit, and that's it. All you need to do now is wait for the results. This website is a legitimate way to earn money. If we look at the website leaderboard, we can see people can earn a lot on this platform. If you put effort into collecting and writing solutions, you can be on this leaderboard too, and earning thousands of dollars. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to try this platform out, a link is in the description. I also have a link in the description to an incredible resource to get you in the money-making mindset for 2024. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on more side hustle content. Thank you for watching. Happy earning. See you on the next one.